everybody? It's your boy Jay Storm. I want to welcome everybody to my channel. It's been a while. It's been a while since I posted any type of video. But like a lot has happened and like it's going down. So for this channel, from now up to the near future, I'm just gonna be doing a lot of random type of videos and stuff that you'll be interested in, you know what I'm saying? But for today, I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and I finally got my box, like for today. Ancestry DNA. You know what I mean? I've always been curious as to what am I? You know what I'm saying? It's just something that has always been in the back of my mind. You know what I mean? I mean, yes, I was born and raised here, and both of my parents are from Puerto Rico. But what else? You know what I mean? So I think it's really cool, and I think that everybody like should really do it. So I'm gonna go through this box and show you guys how easy like it is. So it comes in this little box right here with this little barcode here. You just open it up, and right here it says welcome to the beginning of your story. And you open it up, and it's very simple. You have this little like a Ziploc thing. I guess this is where you put like your sample of your DNA, which in this case it would be like your spit. So you know what, I'm gonna do it right now too. So this is the most important thing right here. This is your activation code. So once you get this, you go onto your page on the Ancestry.com, and you're gonna go right here. It says activate a test, and then yes, you're gonna put yes, you're gonna activate it, sign, and then you just type in this activation code there, and then that's it. And then you just it says you're gonna put like your saliva in this onto that black little line there. And then once you're done with that, you take this off, and then you put this piece here, which is like a solution. You put it there, and then you shake it up, and then you just put it in this, and you send it in the mail like in here, and that's it. You know, and then you wait. It says 4 to 6 weeks. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this like for today, and stay tuned for my next video, which will be like the results. All right, peace and love. I hope that everybody is safe during like these crazy times. Much love and respect, like to everybody. Peace. Storming.